Case 1, how to multiply two decimals. Now take the example 2.46 into 35.3. Now here we are multiplying decimal into decimal. Now convert this decimal into fraction form. 246 by 100. Since we have two digits after decimal point and this is 3, this will be 353 divided by 10 since we have one digit after decimal point. Now here both are in the fraction form and in multiplication. You can go to my channel and there you can see how to multiply the fraction with the fraction. There you will be having detail. Now here we will multiply numerator with numerator. 246 into 353 upon 100 into 10. Now how to multiply 3 digit by 3 digit? 246 into 353. Now 3 digit by 3 digit. How to multiply 3 digit by 3 digit? Now directly we will multiply. 3 6 are 18, 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 30 43, 3 4 is a carry forward number. Now 3 into 2 6 plus 4 10, 6 3 are 18, 5 4 are 20, 8 2 3 4 48, 8 4 is a new carry forward number. Now 5 2 are 10, 3 4 are 12, that is 26, 6 2 is a new carry forward number, 3 2 are 6 plus 2 8. Now the answer is 86,838 upon 10 into 100 into 10, that is 1000. This is our answer. Now since it is in decimal, so we have to write this in decimal. How to write? Write the numerator as it is, 86,838. Now how many zeros we have here? In denominator we have 3 zeros. So here in numerator, since we have 3 zeros in numerator digits, from right to left, how many zeros we have in denominator? Move those many digits and put the decimal point. So this is our answer, 86.838. How I did this multiplication in single 38? How I did this multiplication in single line? For that you have to go to my new video. For that you go through my channel. You will find the product of 3 digit by 3 digit. Now we will see here second case, how to multiply decimal with whole number. Take the example of decimal 1.3 into whole number. We will take 5 2, that is 52. We will take 52, 1.3 into 52. Now convert this decimal into fraction by removing the decimal point into 52. Now since here we do not have any denominator, so we will take it 1. Now numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 13 into 52. 3 2 are 6, 2 1 are 2, 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 2 17, 1 7 5 1 are 5 6. So our answer is 676 upon 10. Now since here we are multiplying with decimal digit, so keep this in mind, don't forget. Now remove this 0. How many zeros we have? 1 0. Write numerator as it is, right to left move one digit and put the decimal point. Over answer. Now third case, decimal with fraction. Take the example. Take example 1.4 into, we will take fraction 3 by 4. 1.4 into 3 by 4. Now again same, convert decimal into fraction. How we did here? The same. That is 14 by 10 into 3 by 4. Now multiply numerator and numerator, denominator. 14 into 3 by 10 into 4. Now before multiplying here, write together numerator and denominator and then see is there any possibility for cancellation. Then cancel it, reduce the number and then proceed with the final step. If there is no possible for the cancellation, in that case we have to multiply numerator and denominator separately. Now here cancellation is possible. 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja. Now 3 into 7 3 is 21, by 10 to the 20. Not possible to cancel, so I am leaving the answer here. So this is our answer. Now further, there is a change in answer also, that is 21 in divided by 10 into 2. Now to get the now multiply numerator and numerator, denominator 14 into 3 by 10 into 4. Now before multiplying here, write together numerator and denominator and then see is there any possibility for cancellation. Then cancel it, reduce the number and then proceed with the final step. If there is no possible for the cancellation, in that case we have to multiply numerator and denominator separately. Now here cancellation is possible. 2 2 ja, 2 7 ja. Now 3 into 7 3 is 21 by 10 to the 20. Not possible to cancel, so I am leaving the answer here. So this is our answer. Now further, there is a change in answer also, that is 21 in divided by 10 into 2. Now to get the answer in decimal, we have to divide this directly, you will get the answer. Or second method, write as it is 7 into 3 21, 10 into 2. Do not divide with the zeros. If you have zeros, keep as it is only. 21 by 2, divide these two, what you will get? 10.5, our answer. Divided by again 10. 21 by 2 is 10.5. This will be same again. Now here since we are multiplying with the decimal point, now remove this 0. Not to remove the 0, now here write numerator as it is without decimal point. Here in two cases we have seen that there is no decimal point. Now but here we have the decimal point, that is here 10.5 between 0 and 5. Here we have 1 0, so from decimal point towards left side move one digit. We have 1 0. If you do not have any decimal point, start from the extreme right. If we have decimal point, then from that place we have to move how many digits depending upon the zeros in the denominator. I have only 1 0 here, so I will move one step. It will be here. That will be 10.5 is our answer. Hope you love the video. Keep practicing.